Hey guys, it is Kristin Shelby with IndyHipChic and we are back with another video. And today's video is a little bit different from what you normally see me doing. I'm not doing a tutorial per se today. Today's video is going to be an unboxing for my brand new Impressions Vanity Glow Pro mirror that you see all nice and beautiful behind me here. So it is the final addition to my vanity to make it all beautiful and wonderful and everything I've ever hoped it would be. And it was actually a gift from my mom, so thanks, Mommy, I love you. But yeah, I wanted to come in and do an unboxing video for you guys to kind of show you what everything was and give you like first impressions and kind of a run through of my experience with buying the Impressions vanity. So let's get started. Okay, so I guess first thing you need to consider when you're gonna buy the vanity mirror is what size you're gonna get. So they have a few different lines and tons of different sizes. They have from like small little tabletop mirrors that are just, you know, right there if you don't have like a huge vanity setup, or they go up to, I believe, almost 54 inches wide for their extra wide Glow Pro mirror or panoramic or something like that. It goes from teeny tiny little tabletops to all the way up to about 54 inches. So the mirror that I got is the Glow Pro Vanity mirror, and it is 43 and a half inches with an 8-inch wide base. So I picked that one because it was the largest tabletop mirror that I saw. The 54-inch one is one that has to be mounted on the wall, and I just didn't really want to mount it, so I went ahead and got the largest tabletop mirror that they had. There was another line at Impressions called Iconic, and they had a mirror about that same size in that line, but the base was, I think, like 13 inches wide, and I just felt like it was going to take up too much space on my table, so I didn't want to do it. So that's how I ended up picking this one. So once you decide which mirror you want, there are a couple of different upgrade options that you can pick from. So the first one being Bluetooth or non-Bluetooth. So basically, if you get the Bluetooth version, then right in the center of the mirror at the bottom, there will be a little panel about this big that lights up, and you can connect your phone or whatever Bluetooth capable gadget you have to it, and you can use it to play music or answer phone calls or anything like that. There are 2 speakers at the top of the mirror on either ends that'll play your music in that. And there's just little touchpad thing that you use to turn the volume up or down. What else does it do? It also tells you the weather. I don't really know how that works, but it tells you what the temperature is outside if you want to know that. I ended up not opting for the Bluetooth. I just went ahead and got the regular mirror without any Bluetooth capabilities because I watched a few videos and some people said their speakers weren't that great, and even I saw one of the speakers didn't work, and also some of the videos I saw the touchpad was a little finicky and they had to like press the button a few times to get it to adjust volume and that, and it was just one more thing that could go wrong, and I didn't really feel like the speakers were that great, so I just said, forget it, I don't want that. And then another option that's probably more important is the light bulb option. So the default light bulb option is warm white incandescent bulbs. So basically it'll give you like a warm white glow, so it'll be more on the yellow end. And I didn't want that. I wanted something more along the lines of daylight. That's what I was going for. That's just the light that I like to use when I do my makeup. I feel like it gives me a truer color and I'll actually know what I'm gonna look like when I go outside. So I decided to go and opt for the upgraded light bulbs. So the light bulbs that I got are the LED cool white light bulbs. And the shape is G25, which is a globe shape bulb. They are 6 watts, 550 lumens, and the base is an E26/ES. As far as the light temperature, they are 5,000 Kelvin and they are 120 volts. So I hope that helps you if you're trying to find them on your own. On the box it says a 6 watt LED is equivalent to a 60 watt incandescent. So if you decide you want to go buy your own light bulbs and not pay the $70 upgrade for their LED bulbs, then hopefully this will be helpful and you'll have some luck finding them online or in stores. I was going to buy my own, but LED light bulbs are expensive. Very, very expensive in stores, and I just didn't feel like going through the search and the hunt to find enough because I needed 15 of them for this huge mirror. So I went ahead and opted for the LED upgrade. So like I said, that was $70 and I got the frosted ones. They also have a clear LED option. I went with the frosted ones because I felt like it would give me a bit of a softer light and kind of like a diffused light. That's what I was going for. I don't know if that's what I'm gonna get, but I do know they're very, very bright. They're a lot brighter than I thought they were gonna be, which is a good thing. Because I was kind of on the fence. I was nervous that they might not give me all the light I needed to really, you know, get in there and see everything I'm doing, but I'm not worried about that anymore because when I turned it on, those lights are bright as ever. And one good thing about them is that they are dimmable. So if you get your own light bulbs, make sure you get some that are dimmable. I did notice the dimmer is really small on the mirror. It's just like a tiny little thing that you kind of have to know what you're looking for to know where it is. And it didn't really seem to go from 0 to 100 as like a smooth gradient. I would say the bottom 50%, so like half lit and all the way to totally dim, there wasn't really much of a difference. It just kind of was dark and it didn't really have a smooth gradient there, which I doubt I'll ever want to use the light at less than half capacity of dimness. I don't know. So that's not a huge deal for me. I don't really care. But if for whatever reason you would want to do that, I guess that's something to take into consideration. The thing that I wanted to say about the light bulbs is I had never heard this, but all of the videos that I've seen about these mirrors, everybody wore like gloves or had some sort of cloth or something like that to handle the light bulbs. They said that if you touch them with your bare hands, the oils from your fingers and that could get on the light bulbs, and then once you turn it on and they get hot, then the light bulbs could explode. And I don't know if that's true or not, but I didn't want to risk it, so I just got a handy dandy glove and put that on when I was putting the light bulbs in, just in case. I don't know if it mattered or not, but just thought I'd throw that out there. And then one other thing that I really like about this mirror is that it has outlets. So there are 2 USB ports and then 2 3-prong outlets on the side of the mirror, which I think is going to be awesome for if I need to charge my phone or use anything that I need to plug in. I guess it would be helpful if you were going to be doing your hair in front of the mirror. I don't really do my own hair very often, so no big deal, but if you needed like a blow dryer or a flat iron or something like that, it can just plug right into the mirror and you don't have to worry about fumbling with going behind the mirror trying to find an outlet or an extension cord or anything like that. So that's pretty cool. So for my delivery experience, I ordered the mirror last Monday And today is Friday, so it took almost 2 weeks for it to get here. Now I did order it during their Black Friday sale, so I don't know like what their order volume was looking like, or if maybe that had something to do with it. Wasn't a huge deal. I mean, I was super thirsty for it, I'm not gonna lie. As soon as I hit order, I wanted it like immediately, but that's okay because it's here now. One thing I will say, the FedEx guy did not help me get it in the house at all. He brought it to my porch and I was like, can you help me get it inside? He's like, no, I can't go in your house. So it was 70 pounds, so it was very heavy and a bit of a struggle, but luckily my family was home and my dad was able to help me get it up the stairs and get it all in and all that stuff. So if you don't live with anybody yet, I would suggest you maybe call a friend or something like that to ask for some help, because especially if you get this one or the bigger one, I think you're gonna probably need some help. Like it was a struggle. It was heavy. So just something you should maybe think about when you're ordering. All right, so that is pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed it, which I hope you did, be sure to give us a big thumbs up. We like to see those likes. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, you're gonna want to see all of the great, wonderful, awesome makeup that I do with my new Vanity lights and all my great lighting. So you're not gonna want to miss out. And we've got tons of new stuff coming up. So also hit that bell. You want to make sure you get those notifications so you don't miss out on any of our new and exciting videos. And yeah, other than that, we will see you in the next one. Bye.